What's the meaning of counterpart? Counterpart. Counterpart.
Counterpart. Counterpart. Counterpart means a person or thing that corresponds to or has the same function as another person or thing in a different place or situation. It refers to the equivalent, match, or complement of something. For example, the British Prime Minister serves as the counterpart to the American President in foreign affairs. In business, a company's counterpart may be its competitor in the same industry. The word counterpart emphasizes the similarity and equivalence between two or more things or persons, despite their differences in location or context.